Ladies and gentlemen, the fantastic Plastics!
The song's about lesbians in Peoria.
Oh, I've got a helmet. I got a beauty.
Pedal to the metal on the skinny machine, and she called me up like a Hollywood scene. Once more the reptile, she says I play glass out of nice malls, and she takes place. Transvestites in the summer mirage, and I've been wearing the dress that my mom took to prom. I know why. Motorcycle Tony, she ain't around. Motorcycle Tony, she ain't around. Motorcycle Tony, she lays me on the ground. I got a simple solution for simple needs. I got a acetylene